only thing I know. My family, yeah, me love them, yeah, for sure.
What's good, YouTube? Valley Pending TV, and we back with another video, man. Today we got an unfortunate situation that took place out there in Philly. We got the rapper LGP Qua, who unfortunately got shot in an alive with in a robbery attempt, and some saying it may be a setup. You know, we're not sure yet. Nobody been arrested for the case so far, so let's just take a look at the news report and we get back to talking about.
This afternoon is a well-known Philadelphia rapper. Police say 30-year-old Kadir Johnson was shot in the chest on the 1400 block of East Luzerne Street. The shooting happened just after 4:30. Johnson was rushed to the hospital by a private vehicle. Tonight, a representative for Johnson, whose stage name is LGP Qua, confirmed.
Remind you, all you see him promote is like positive messages nowadays, you know, or since like 2018. I'm not gonna say nowadays, but for since like 2018, and even those messages he been spreading helped them to even get off probation early, you know.
Surveillance video from Juniata, where that shooting happened Sunday at M Street and East Luzerne. You can see someone approach the passenger side and someone else walk across the street. Then a flash. Heading into the weekend.
Damn, it seemed like they wanted to hit him. It seemed like ASAP. Like, he just walked up and she probably shot him and still took the jury. Maybe, I'm not sure. Violence erupting numerous times.
Here's the video, y'all. Check it out. You see the door right there, the door across the street. They go into the car. They know, this is personal. They knew he was in that car. Watch one come from this side, the other one is already over there. And they run up to the car where LGP Qua was at, man. On Mother's Day. This is on fucking Mother's Day, son. So, you know this was personal, family.
That a man killed this afternoon.
That's messed up, you know what I mean? But it's the streets too, man. Stuff just don't stop. But I hear people talking about, oh, it's always the higher ups trying to take out someone that's trying to spread positive messages, Yeah, those things happen, but then again, we do not know how these individuals are living. We only see what they show us on Instagram. We don't know if those, it's like the same way how some rappers, they talk that gangster stuff, and they not living like that. We don't know if he's talking that positive message and living the whole opposite life. We don't know. We don't know these individuals. So sometimes you just gotta wait for all the facts and see, what may occur. Sometimes it's jealousy, because I hear a lot of people also saying it's jealousy in the city of Philly, and a lot of hate, which is everywhere, but specifically in Philly I hear them say that a lot. So just my condolence to this young man's family. My condolence. It's never a good sign seeing anybody lose their life. It's just never a good look. It's just an unfortunate situation, but this video ain't gonna be too long, guys. I just wanted to give y'all a little bit, keep y'all up, let y'all know what's going on with this. Hey, I got some videos dropping too on the diddler. I got some more information on the diddler, the daughters in case and everything. So make sure y'all tune in for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And you already know, I love y'all. Peace.
The only thing I know. My family, yeah, me love them, yeah, for sure.